students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter.
Today's subject is Maths Standard 2nd and topic is Let's reduce by subtraction. Children, you know the meaning of addition and you know how to add the given numbers and how to get the total of the given numbers. Isn't it? Like that only. Today let us understand the meaning of subtraction and the different process or the different methods of subtracting the numbers from the given number. Okay, let's move to the topic. Here, subtraction means to make less or to reduce. Dear children, you know in the addition we make more, right? But in subtraction we make less. You can say this is the opposite of addition. Okay? Now here one example, 5 minus 3, that is equal to, see, out of 5 we have taken out 3 objects. How many remained? Yes, 2 remained, isn't it? Out of 5 lollipops I ate 3 lollipops. Then how many remained? 2, isn't it? Like this. Here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. How to spell this? 5 minus, this we call minus, okay, 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now we will go through some different types of methods of subtraction. Here Raj has 6 toys. Okay, Raj, a boy, has 6 toys. He gave 3 toys to his friend. How many toys remained with Raj now? Yes, earlier Raj has 6 toys. See here 6 cars you can see, right? 6 different toys you can see, correct? Okay, he gave 3 toys to his friend. Okay, we will cut 3 toys here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, because he gave 3 toys to his friend. So many toys remained with Raj? Come on, tell me. Yes, count these. 1, 2 and 3. Isn't it? These 3 toys remained with Raj. So same thing we will write using numbers, that is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, right? Same thing we will write in one more method. See here units. Okay, here how many toys he has earlier? 6. So we'll write 6 minus, he gave 3 toys to his friend, so we'll write 3 here. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, right? This is nothing but subtraction in horizontal position and this is subtraction in vertical position. Okay, got this? The answers are same, that is 3. Now we'll move to next one. Here Sunita has 7 lollipops. She gave 4 lollipops to Rani. How many lollipops remained with Sunita now? Yes, 7 lollipops are with Sunita. She gave 4 lollipops to Rani. So we will cut 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now see dear children, you can count there. How many remained? Yes, only 3 remained. Am I right? So let us write this in number, that is 7 lollipops minus 4 lollipops is equal to, yes, 3 because we have answer up. Correct? Now same thing we will write in tabular form, that is 7 lollipops minus 4, that gives us 3. Okay? Here next one, there are 8 tube lights and 5 bulbs. How many more tube lights are there than the bulbs? Yes, these are called tube lights. They are like a tube, right? They are called as tube lights, and here you can see bulbs. Okay, how many tube lights are there? 8. And how many bulbs are there? 5. Correct? The question is, how many more tube lights are there than the bulbs? Okay, to find out the answer, what we will do? We will cut the pairs, tube light, bulb, like that. Okay, we will begin. See, one bulb cut, tube light cut. Okay, second. Here third bulb, third tube light. Fourth bulb, fourth tube light. Fifth bulb, fifth tube light. Yes. Now you can see only 1, 2 and 3 tube lights remained. Yes. Am I right? Means here we can say like this. There are 3 more tube lights than bulbs. Okay. Here we will write 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Got this, children? Here we made the comparison between tube lights and bulbs. Here you can see some pictures. First you have to count the objects, then you have to minus the said object. You can use cutting method. Here 2 are there, you can cancel here 2, then you have to count the remaining objects. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there, minus 2. Out of 7, if you have taken out 2, then how many remain? Yes, you can use the cutting method here. Yes, you are right, 5 remain. In the second, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dolls, and we have to cut 3 dolls. Means 1, 2, 3. How many remained here? 3 dolls remained. Here you can see sticks, walking sticks, and here you have to cut 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. If we cut, then out of 5, if we cut 3, then 2 remained. Correct? Yes, 3 boxes are there, minus 1 box, that gives us, very good, 2 boxes. I hope you understood about the subtraction method. Yes, here we are reducing the number. Earlier there were 7, now how many? 5. Means we are making less. We are reducing, isn't it? Okay. Carry out subtractions. Here you can do this. 9 minus 5 is equal to how much? Yes, you can use your fingers. Show me your 9 fingers. Then fold your 5 fingers. How many remain? 4 fingers. Very good. Right? Like this. 6 minus 5. How much? 1. Very good. Next, 8 minus 3. You can use your fingers. Very nice. 5 remained. 7 minus 5. Good. 2. Some more are there. 9 minus 2. Yes. 7. Very nice. 8 minus 1. Nice. 7. 7 minus 2. 5. Correct. 6 minus 5. 1. Very nice. Now here again objects are there. Here 2 objects are shown or 2 cocks are there. Minus how many cut? We don't know. We have now only 1. What will be here? Yes. Very good. Out of 2, only 1 remained, means 1 is taken out. Correct? Out of 4 elephant, only 2 remained. Means 2 went out. Am I right? Yes. Very good. Next, out of 3 cups, only 2 remained. 1 broken. Yeah? Out of how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. At last 1 ball remained. Yes. 5 balls lost. Very good. Isn't it? Nice. Got this, children? Okay. Now here subtraction by counting backward. Here this is one method. We have to count backward to get the answer. We will go through. Now here 10 minus 4 is equal to how much? Yes, we don't know. We'll see by this method, counting backward. Okay. Now you can see here 1 to 10 numbers. Right. Now we will count 4 steps backward. See here. 1. This is 1, 2, 3 steps backward. This is 4 steps, means 4th step. What we got? Number 6. Right? 6 is our answer. Isn't it easy? Yes. We have to come back by 4 steps in this method because 10 minus 4 is given. So we got the answer 6. Okay. Now see here. 10 minus, yes, 5. How much? Again we will use the same method here. 1 to 10 numbers are there. We go backward. 1 number, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers. We came back. So we got 5 here. 5 is our answer. Okay, got this? Now next one. 10 minus 3 is equal to how much? What we will do? Yes, from 10 we will go back 3 numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. What we got? Yes, 7. So 7 is our answer. This method is called as counting backward. Okay. Now here 10 minus 6 is equal to how much? See dear children, we will count backward 6 numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? What we got? We reached number 4. So 4 is our answer. Here we have used so many examples. So I hope you understood this properly. Right? Now 20 minus 4 is equal to how much? Yes dear children, from 20 we will count backward 4 numbers. See this. This is 1 number, 2nd, 3rd and this is 4th. So we got 16 as our answer. Right? Okay. Now here we can use the number line to carry out subtraction by counting either backward or forward. Let us see the subtraction 14 minus 9. Yes, dear children, here we can count backward to get our answer, or sometimes we can count forward to get our answer. Whichever is easy, we will see. Okay. Now here this is a number line. You know that, right? Okay. Now what is given here? Subtraction of 14 minus 9. Here it is 14. Okay. We will count backward. See 1. How many numbers we have to count backward? 9 numbers, isn't it? So 14 minus 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We counted 9 numbers backward. What we got? 5. So here 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Am I right? Because we got the answer from this number line by counting backward method. Right? 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Yes. Same sum we will take. Okay. And we will use counting forward method. See what is here? 14 minus 9. Okay. Means from 9 we have to count forward up to 14 number. And we have to count how many steps we covered. Okay. We'll begin from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right? We reached 14. So our sum is over. What is our answer? Yes, 5. Correct? We forwarded 5 steps. We counted 5 numbers in forward direction. Right? So 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. What the children? This is counting forward method. Earlier was counting backward method. Okay. Now here you can see 13 minus 8 is equal to how much? We will use this number line. Where is 13? Yes, here. We will count backward by 8 numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we got? We got 5. So 5 is our answer. Right? 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So we will write 5 here. Got this, children? This is counting backward method. Now here you can see 32 minus 1 is equal to how much? See here number line. I have used here from 31 to 40. Okay. We are going to count by counting backward method. So where is 32? Here. Correct? 32 minus 1. Only one number we will go back. What we got? 31. So 31 is our answer. Isn't it easy? Next, 43 minus 2 is equal to how much? See the number line. 43 is here. We have to count 2 numbers backward. 1 number, 2 numbers. Yes, what we got? 41. Right? 41 is our answer. 39 minus 3 is equal to how much? Are our numbers? 39. Yes, here 39. We will count 3 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3. What we got? 36. This is our answer. Next, 15 minus 10. See our number strip. Okay. 15. Where is 15? Here it is. We have to count backward 10 numbers. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we got? We got number 5. This is our answer. Now, this is so long process. We counted 10 numbers backward to reach 5 from 15. See dear children, if we use counting forward method here, what will happen? We'll see. From 10, okay, we will count forward. 15 minus 10 is equal to how much? We will count forward from number 10. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we reached 15. Means 5 steps forward we counted. Correct? Got this? This is half of this work. We counted only 5 steps forward. In earlier case, we counted 10 steps backward. So, the answer is 5. By both method, we got the same answer, that is 5. Isn't it? So, you have to decide which is the easiest one. Counting forward or counting backward for given sum. Okay. Now here 13 minus 11 is equal to how much? See here the number. Now dear children, which method is easier here? Counting backward or counting forward? You have to decide. While carrying out the subtraction 13 minus 11, which is easier? Counting the jumps towards the right from 11 to 13 or 11 jumps towards the left from 13. Yes, left means counting backward, right means counting forward. Which one you think is easier? Yes, see, counting forward, how many numbers? Only 2 numbers. From 11 to 13. That is towards right side. Right? What is the answer? 2. If you count from 13, 11 numbers backward, you will get same 2 as the answer. Answer will remain same by both the method. But you have to decide which method is to follow. Okay? Here we can say counting the jumps towards the right from 11 to 13 is more easy in this case. Right? Now 44 minus 40. Again see. 44 minus 40. Here, while carrying out the subtraction 44 minus 40, what is easier? Counting 40 jumps towards the left of 44 or counting 40 to 44 to the right? Yes, counting backward is easier or counting forward is easier? Yes, very good. Counting forward from 40, right? And we will reach up to 44. How many numbers to the right? Yes, only 4 numbers. So 4 is our answer. Counting jumps from 40 to 44 to the right is more easy. Correct? Good. Here, dear children, this is homework for you. Carry out subtractions. You have to decide which method you have to use. Counting forward or counting backward to get the correct answer. 24 minus 4. Yes, dear children, here counting backward gives us the answer early in the easy way. Isn't it? Okay, like that only you have to decide for each sum. Answer for first one is 24 minus 4, that is equal to 20. Isn't it? Okay, some more sums are there. See here. Okay, this also you have to decide which method has to follow. Okay, and you have to find out the answer. Dear children, please try to complete all the sums. Okay. Thank you. Please open your textbook. Okay. There are so many subtraction sums. Please carry them out.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.